I would like to point out that this whore works for this whore, and neither one of these whores wants you to know the truth about what's going on today. This video is about my BitChute. You need to get the fuck over here. Stop fucking around on YouTube. I laid out the information about the current situation long before the current situation began. And it's all right the fuck here. Timestamp put down on this fucking channel for you, because Susie and homeboy over there won't fucking allow it on their format. It's here on BitChute. It explains how, why, when, where, and what time. Resistance to superbugs. We got issues. And I told you why. Susie here won't allow it on her fucking format. But I tell you why. I keep green lighting new ways. I already told you about this one too. Now, why would people be scared of mRNA tech? Maybe because they did a Google search on it. I don't know. I told you about Russia, China, and North Korea. I said China because of the South Chinese Sea will nuke us in tandem with Russia and North Korea. Wasn't guessing. You notice they still can't put out the fires. I noticed more and more new ones every day joining the group. Texas is burning pretty good now. Last month, one was complaining because, there wasn't no fires in Texas. Well, now there is. They're everywhere. Fire's fucking everywhere. The globe's on fire. See, we started watching this about 3 months ago, and the whole world has caught on fire since. It's been a nice, slow, progressive train wreck. They're evacuating globally all over the goddamn place. Siberia's got a spot size 4 times the size of Texas. It's on fire. Tundra at Alaska. The tundra is on fire and has been catching on fire for almost 3 months. We've been watching this happen long before your CERN got turned on. That's the beauty of this. Even told of it happening. Now they don't like me. Something went wrong. Now, globally, wheat and corn production are in the tank. Now, yes, I could stand in the middle of the street right next to 2 fields that have been just recently planted and film those fields and say, oh, look, the corn's growing. But I don't. I give you the reality of it. I didn't get this information laying tile, smoking crack on the job. No, I got this information because I was a fucking sitting senator's investigator. It isn't guesswork. We sat and watched this happen. We have a clockwise rotation on the North Hemisphere. Shouldn't be there. It's been there for 10 years, since the beginning of the polar vortex. Now you're on your 3rd level of atmosphere before you get to your freaking top layer of Earth's atmosphere. See how that works? We've been compressed down. That's why your Schumann frequency is spiking. And has been. Because we've been getting pressure. That's your ionospheric level. It should be showing a counterclockwise rotation, not a clockwise. When this took over the planet, I said, watch, here we go, we're going to burn. And since then, we've been burning. And I said, this pattern will be pushed down to the surface. It's been pushed down to the surface. You're having wild weather. You're having fires. Everything else I've warned you about. It wasn't guesswork. Guess what comes next?